We are helping our France colleagues to work with drones. That's one of the topics within our WOW team, Sensing the Future, where we are using new technologies to do our normal surveys, and drones is a good way of doing another kind of survey in a faster way, in a quicker way.
We implemented drones, what we did with the data, some practical matters, the current application
measurements, and to create drilling grids where you can see where you should drill and how many samples you should take.
I still see it, and now it's
they don't.
No, and sometimes it can be a problem because, I don't know how to say in English, commissaire enquêteur, the person who are in charge of the good way for the public to look in your report.